Traders closely monitor several indications to determine when Bitcoin prices begin to normalize. Predicting the future is a gamble given Bitcoin's volatile price history and some intriguing signs of what might happen. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, has some exciting ideas on what may cause a market correction. A crypto market crash is possible, but she remains optimistic about Bitcoin's future. In this video, I will tell you important points you don't want to miss. Before we continue with the video, make sure to subscribe to Dinero Association and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything from the latest in financial market and cryptocurrency. Cathie Wood, no one will share you this about the latest in cryptocurrency. According to Cathie Wood, the manager of ARK Invest Management, a leading hedge fund, Bitcoin's price will reach $1 million by 2030 despite its immaturity over the world. In his Big Ideas 2022 forecast report, ARK analyst Yassine El-Mandra predicts that the market capitalization of Bitcoin will rise as more countries accept it as legal tender. According to the ARK Bitcoin forecast, in terms of global settlement networks, Bitcoin is expected to grow in market share in the coming years. In 2021, the total number of Bitcoin transfers was expected to grow by 463%, exceeding Visa's annual settlement volume according to ARK's analysis. It is also possible that technological advancements such as Taproot and the Lightning Network will make scaling easier. In addition, institutional ownership of Bitcoin is expected to rise in the future. According to Wood's prediction last year, Bitcoin will hit $500,000 by 2026. The cryptocurrency market forces its hand to recover and retain position. Due to the nature of the cryptocurrency market's foundation in new technology, it will periodically exhibit characteristics of the broader market's technology. In a recent development, Cathie Wood claims that this led to the recent stock market crashes. Cryptocurrency prices have been pulled down by the equity market's anti-technological, growth-oriented, and innovative sentiment, which has spilled over. Despite this, the CEO expects the strike to be short-lived. The CEO dismisses concerns that technology and innovation equities are in a bubble. To put it in another way, she claims that these stocks are simply in a deep value sector instead. In the long run, Wood's investments in cutting-edge technology and creative assets have paid off for her fund and her clients. Due to the CEO's stated support for Bitcoin, this digital asset falls within the CEO's category. As a result, she predicts that technology and innovation assets will grow tenfold in the next decade. What are the next steps for Bitcoin? The markets have begun to reflect the effects of holiday spending as the new year has started. Nearly 30% of the value in Bitcoin has been lost from its peak last year of $69,500. However, it is no longer battling under bearish pressure in the $41,000 range. Cathie Wood is a strategic thinker by nature. At several periods last year, the CEO claimed that she expected Bitcoin's current price to double. Eventually, institutional investors will allocate at least 5% of their portfolios to Bitcoin, which could push the digital assets price above $500,000 per unit, according to Ms. Liu. Hey, take a breather there for a moment. If you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button to ensure that you don't miss any of our videos. Cathie Wood is eyeing two additional lucrative cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu has gained considerable wealth in a short period. By 2021, this investment would have increased to over $42 million, making it one of the most profitable investments ever undertaken. Investors have abandoned Shiba Inu meme coins in droves since October's peak, resulting in a 75% decline in value. Sure, crypto fans may view the decline as a buying opportunity, but I urge caution. Shiba Inu prices are unlikely to ever reach new highs. that is not to say that climbing back up is impossible. Notably, it appears as though other cryptocurrencies are the most valuable assets. Shiba Inu, an Ethereum-based ERC20 token, is the Ethereum blockchain's most extensive decentralized application and financial services ecosystem. Shiba Inu would never sustain its own ecosystem of products and services without its own blockchain. While this does diminish the long-term potential of the substance, it is not fatal. There are several ERC20 tokens available, each with its unique set of benefits. A decentralized network of computers capable of transmitting data from the real world to any blockchain, including bitcoins. Consumers can participate in DeFi services without being exposed to the risks associated with volatile cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, in comparison to the 0.06% annual percentage yield offered by the average savings account. You may currently earn 2.13% by lending US dollars coin to the Compound protocol. Regrettably, the Shiba Inu falls short of expectations. There are no new features or interactions with established DeFi protocols such as Compound. Supporters of Shiba Inu will undoubtedly mention ShibSwap, a decentralized exchange where SHIB tokens may be utilized to collect incentives. Numerous advantages are restricted for 6 months and, depending on the market, may be worthless when released. The rise of the Shiba Inu sparked social media buzz and benefited from clever branding. Incorporating Dogecoin's mascot is an excellent idea. Without a competitive edge, Shiba Inu's popularity will dwindle. That is why I believe the moment has come to sell. Many believe that Cathie Wood's mission is to restore your faith in the stock market. In the meantime, Solana was trading at $98.10, up 2.0%. According to some reports, it has plummeted dramatically from its recent high of $260 and has been plagued by technological difficulties. In the first 3 weeks of January, other big cryptocurrencies have had a mixed bag of results. Cardano, 5.9% XRP to 4.3% XRP is up. Dogecoin, up by 2.6%. The value of Binance Coin has increased by 7%. There was a 0.9% drop in Avalanche. Terra is down by 4.7%, a 6.0% drop in Cosmos share price. Rate increases and the termination of bond buying were announced by the Federal Reserve on Wednesday. After cutting back on bond purchases in January, the Federal Reserve intends to stop them in early March. The central bank provided another indication that a rate hike is imminent, with many analysts predicting a boost in March. According to a statement by the Federal Open Market Committee, the committee expects the federal funds rate target range to be raised shortly. A rise in effective interest rates by the Federal Reserve is now widely expected during its March meeting. There is a 91% likelihood the Fed will raise interest rates by 25 basis points, with a 2% possibility that they will raise them by 50 basis points. The Fed aims to curb price increases without pressing the brakes too hard, as inflation rose at its sharpest rate in 40 years last year. What do you think about this video? Type your comments below. We are Dinero Association, your partner in building wealth. Don't forget to like and share.